please, man. Pretty please with a cherry on top, king.
What is happening, y'all? It's your girl Lavish. I'm reporting to you live, and today is all about the her. The her. So of course, if you're here, you've seen the title and you want to know how I got this wash and go to look so fresh on day 7. So make sure to keep watching. I'm about to spill all the tea, and especially at the end for my secret formula. Y'all really thought I was about to give y'all these secrets and you not subscribed to me? Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe, because honestly, why not? Why not subscribe to me? I mean, I just feel like, you know, you might as well just get the little ding ding notification when I post my video, so they can be like, ooh, new tips and tricks, ooh, new vlog, you know what I'm saying? So one of the most important things when trying to keep your hair moisturized and keep the curls intact throughout the week is how you wear it to sleep. So I use this very big, very huge bonnet, and I used to have a much smaller one, but then I realized that it was squishing my curls as I was sleeping and I didn't have enough room for my hair to breathe. So I got this big old joint right here, and one important thing to note is that when you get your bonnets, I'm trying to find the tag for y'all, they typically come with like the more silky side on the outside. Sorry y'all, I know my nails are trash, please don't come for me. They usually come with the more silky side on the outside, but I actually flip it inside out so that the more silky side is on my hair and it's protecting my curls throughout the week in my sleep. And I think I got this from Walmart. It's the one with the tie, and you can like tighten it to your head shape and everything. It's just so good. So the next important thing is what you use to tie your hair when you're sleeping. So I honestly could not tell you how long I've had this, but it has literally been forever, and it's really silky and stretched. You probably are zooming in on my hair right now, but it's fine. It's very stretched, and if you feel it, it's a regular scrunchie that's practically broken. But I use this still because it's so stretched out that it doesn't crease my hair, especially when I'm putting it in my pineapple to go to sleep. So you want to get a very loose scrunchie, or when you're putting it in your pineapple to go to sleep, because yeah, the tight ones just crease your hair and it doesn't really help at all with preserving the bush. So next is your curl refreshing. So I personally don't refresh my curls. Like, I feel like when I refresh my curls, they don't come out the same. So if my curls are messed up, like for instance, I'll show y'all. Oof, we about to get ratchet in here. The back of this is literally like bush, as you can see. And I could refresh it, but first of all, it's in the back, and second of all, I just, like I said, don't like to refresh my curls. But for instances where I need to, so if this curl was to unform and I really want it to be in the front like this, because I do like this curl a lot. If it was to unravel and I wanted to refresh it, ooh, I use my spray bottle. This spray bottle is so good. It's the Fine Mist one. Look at this. Ooh, oh wait, did y'all see that? Oh, I forgot there's conditioner in here. But it's bomb, y'all. Y'all need to get this spray bottle because it just sprays so evenly, and ooh, child. But I use the spray bottle and I put water in it and I mix it with my conditioner. And I use the Cocoa Creme. I actually don't know if it's creme. I think it's creamy, because it's a little accent on the E, you know what I'm saying? So it's not cream, it's creme. Cocoa Creme. That's the one. So I use my cocoa creme, coconut, mango, and my what? Malumala? I think it's malumala. Look, I don't know, but it's the orange Carol's daughter. Okay. I put about 3 or 4 pumps of my conditioner in the bottle with my water. I shake it up and I spray the part of my hair that needs to be refreshed with this, and then I top it off with my Cantu Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator. Y'all know my favorite. And you can use whatever cream you personally use. This just works well for my hair. And you can use whatever conditioner you use. anything that works well for your hair, use it, baby. I would spray it with the water and the conditioner, and then I would take the cream and put it on my fingers to finger coil the curl. Now, for the final tip and trick, let me tell y'all. Y'all probably use this oil and think like it's so regular, but this oil has been like a secret formula for my hair. Ever since I got it, my wash and goes have been lasting so long. So I don't know if it's something that I'm changing or if it's this oil, but I'm a bank that it's this oil. Oh. Wow, look at my nails. Ew. So it's the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. However, it is the extra penetrating oil. So I got the small one because I had ran out of my regular oil and I was really scared to like try a new one, but I was like, this looks pretty cool and it smells so bomb, y'all. I was like, this looks pretty cool, let me try it out. I tried it out, I said, wow, this joint is thick. This is about to mess my hair up. Y'all, it has been such a blessing to my hair. So it's not just about using the oil, but how you use it. So anytime I'm about to take down my hair, I never touch my hair excessively without having oil on my hand. And I feel like this oil really does a good job in preserving my curls, making sure that it's lasting in moisture, and I really just think that this is the key. So literally every day I put a blob of oil on my hand. When I take my hair down, I rub it on my fingers, I rub it on my thumbs, I rub it all over, and then that's how I scrunch my hair when I'm putting it down to style. I really feel like it.
You didn't eat?
No.
What is wrong with you?
I'm about to eat. I really feel like this is the key that has been keeping it so fresh. But even if you don't have this oil, using any oil when you're taking your hair down every day to style it, instead of using your dry fingers, definitely like eliminates the friction, eliminates the frizz, because it's not like you're touching it with just dry hands. Like the oil is penetrating the curls and keeping them fresh. So that is my secret formula. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all want to go buy it, was like $7. If y'all want to go try this out, I'm telling you, this joke is cool. Like, I only got 100 subscribers. Your girl is sponsored. This joke is magic. So now that you have my secret formula, I hope your curls are so luscious, because curly kings and queens, I just want you to prosper, and I want your curls to be so luscious that people be like, oh my god, look at them curls, look at them. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any tips that I didn't mention that could help people preserve their curls, let me know. Slide them in the comments, you know what I'm saying? And stay tuned for more videos from your girl.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is